want lots of color on this cake, lots of sparkle, lots of color. So, there we go. Oops. And I also need some moon. So here, I'm going to have you put that back and hand me the yellow, please.
Oh, you know what?
Or do I want to make the moon silver or do I want to make it gold? Well, maybe I'll make them both. Here.
Okay.
Yeah. Suns and moons, how's that? And all I'm going to do is make, this is for the blue mask. And I didn't have a moon or a sun cutter. Obviously a sun could be round. But she has little ones. Well, all I'm doing is I'm just cutting it, and then I'm just going to cut inside it. And now I have a moon. There you go. See? It's not very hard. And I can, that's okay. So it'll fit on. It'll actually go in this mask, sorry. See? It'll fit. And we'll do one out of white. And we'll paint it silver.
Why, thank you.
It's your job. I have a little bit of
I need to roll some.
a little bit of black. I have my gel colors over here somewhere in an egg
Yes.
carton.
Right down
Can
here.
you get me the black, please? Anytime I do silver, I really like to work with gray because then the silver shows up so much better. Oh, my lovely assistant. I have to put little feathers on her. We're in Vegas, you know. Just a tiny little bit of black. Whoop. Tiny little bit, because I just want gray. You're having too much fun over there. So we just want a gray, because we're making silver piece. Get a little bit more shortening on my hands so they don't stick. La-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay. You know, I'm just kind of dragging. I'm not working very fast. How much time is it? It's probably getting late. Oh gosh. Yeah, I guess I need to speed it up.
I need one of these.
Okay. I need to speed up. Oops, that's kind of marbly. Let's knead that a little bit better. Isn't that cute? I have those already in that color.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I'm so
That's okay.
disappointed.
It's okay.
That's all right. We'll just make a couple more. You
That's
never
fine.
know.
That's fine. Okay.
I love that.
Here's my. She's still in my equipment too. God.
I needed one of those.
I'm gonna have to count my stuff when I leave.
And I'll take one of those.
I usually leave my stuff at Michael's house, and a month later I'm like, I can't find my thing. Where is that? Yeah. Thank goodness he recognizes the equipment. He knows what it is.
I collect pizza cutters.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we have a couple moons to choose from. Okay. And I have a, oh no, I guess I'm not gonna worry about it. All right, let's get moving on this. We gotta get these dusted and get these together. I have
rolling.
Yeah, we gotta get rolling. So, a paper towel. Oh, you've got them. Okay, thank you. And then while I'm dusting mine, she's gonna dust hers. There you go.
I don't have an assistant to give me my paper towels.
No, you don't.
That's all right.
Double duty. Okay, I guess we can get these out of the way. Out of the way.